In today's video, I will walk you through how to use WaterC Spread Area in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the Brush tool by pressing B. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for WaterC Spread Area, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor spreading effects. Increase the pressure to add stronger color and wider spread areas. Apply multiple strokes to gradually build up the watercolor effect and create smoother blends. Use the color picker by holding Ctrl to sample nearby colors and continue painting for better transitions. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want a lighter and softer effect. WaterC Spread Area is perfect when you want to create smooth watercolor spreading with natural color movement. It is great for blending painted areas and adding soft watercolor textures. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, backgrounds, landscapes, skies, clouds, abstract artwork, and creating smooth flowing color effects. And that's how to use WaterC Spread Area in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.